G'day guys, my name's Taz, and today gonna quit my whinging and remove these from Gilby the budget bobber build. I've always hated the foot pegs. I don't like the look of them, I don't like the feel of them, so I've finally managed to track down a replacement set of foot pegs for an XV250 off eBay that were pretty cheap. Price fluctuates dramatically, but there's the foot pegs there. That's the left, that's the right, and here's the hardware back. E-clip, don't lose those. Pivot, touchdown, yeah, goes in there. So I'm gonna take these off, replace them with them, see how it goes. Yeah, just as I thought. Split pins. Righto. Easy. Okay, my main concern will be the spring and how that mounts up. Left, right. The first thing I've discovered, that's right. There, it's upside down. There, it's sort of facing away, completely useless. So they must be labelling them looking forward at the bike rather than over the bike. So this is left. And yeah, that looks a lot better. Cool. Righto, that's it there. After a bit of messing about, E-clip. Cool. Having installed it, just need to lube it up a little. Just using some WD-40. There's always another use for it. Yeah, that's bouncing back beautifully. It's got the grinding peg or the touchdown peg. It's 10mm. Righto, so we'll shift this all around the other side and we'll put the other one on. So that's it there, guys. There. That should look pretty good. Pretty happy with them. Just take a picture for Instagram. So guys, that's pretty much all there is to the installation of those foot pegs. I think they look pretty good. They look a lot leaner, lighter, meaner than the standard pieces of crap. The spring action works. Got a replaceable stud in case you do touch down, and touching pegs on an XV is pretty common actually. Fiddliest bit was working out how that spring would go compared to the standard one. Basically just push it in and push your pivot down and it'll give you the spring action. And the spring action's important because if it's solid mounted and you do touch down, that's got no give. The back end of the bike is pretty liable to kick out, pivot around this point that you're touching and throw you sideways, high side you onto the road, which certainly isn't going to be ideal and will wreck your day, if not your weekend. So make sure they do bounce back out of the way, just for your own safety. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. $17.50 to change the look and the feel of your bike. I think that's pretty good. Gilby likes it. I like it. See you next time. I am out.